Hey everybody, it's Matty here with Altcoin Buzz, and it is Friday. Hope you're having a great one so far. We are discussing the sudden Bitcoin price fall today, and Deepika asks the question, where are all the bulls? Electronic Arts had something unbelievable that they tweeted, something amazing, as Ezekiel puts it. We'll let you know what that is all about. We have responded to that on Twitter as well. And then we're looking at the Tael ecosystem. At least that's how we think it's pronounced on altcoinbuzz.io. It's a loyalty token for safe consumer products from a couple of different perspectives. We'll take a look at Tael. And then check this out on cryptobriefing.com. If you can believe this headline, 76% of all crypto derivatives traded on Huobi or OkeX. We'll get to that along with these other pieces in just a moment, but let's first take a look at where the markets stand. We're up 3% on the day, $270.9 billion. And as you can see here, Bitcoin dominance starting to pick itself up at 67.4%. Bitcoin up 2.9% on the day at $10,178. Ethereum keeps rising, up 4.4 on the day at $218.51. Generally, altcoins are seeing modest gains, a couple of percentage points here and there, as you can see. Now we're now looking at Deepika's piece on the Bitcoin price fall. The price has plunged, and we analyzed the developments closely, as you would expect. Things look promising, and right now the bulls had to hurl Bitcoin over the 11K resistance. That's $11,000. But when it came time to do that, it toppled below 10K. So over these last few days, we've seen Bitcoin edging its way closer to its 100-day low when it was down below 10K. Some experts failed to notice the expected fall. However, Philip Swift, creator of Bitcoin Golden Ratio, had his own perspective. Philip tweeted the following. This is back on September 9th. It's very possible that Bitcoin just goes sideways for a while. If that scenario plays out, then it is worth keeping an eye on historical volatility, currently dropping quickly. Not financial advice, of course, but as per Swift's analysis, he suggests that if prices were to continue falling, $9,385 would be the next drop and support zone for Bitcoin. But a different perspective here at Phil B, he tweeted the following back on September 17th, so more recently. Weekly Bitcoin chart removes a lot of the noise. Prepared for the worst, but this doesn't scream descending triangle top into 50% sell-offs to me. Also, VP VR gap at 6K was below. This time it is above. Just worth bearing in mind. Want to see bulls reclaim 10.5K this week, and we are slowly and steadily approaching that kind of territory. But as Deepika concludes here, it's really been all altcoins recently. So do you guys think that the momentum is going to switch back into Bitcoin? If so, when? None of this, of course, is a science, so don't take it as financial advice. Take it all with a grain of salt, but it sure is going to be interesting to keep watching for now. We do have some good news that may affect the markets down the road one way or another. It's very speculative right now. However, on altcoinbuzz.io, EA, Electronic Arts, has tweeted something amazing. This article by Ezekiel. Electronic Arts tweets about crypto following the release of Apex Legends Season 3. And here's the tweet itself from the 19th of September. 3 simple words: invest in crypto. There you have it. You can't get too much more simple and basic than that, but it's in a good way. And here are the exact words. As I just mentioned, invest in crypto. However, later on, the company commented and attached Apex Legends tweet on Season 3, which we just saw below. For the uninitiated, Season 3 features an all-new battle pass, a new weapon, but more importantly, a new legend that may justify the reason for the tweet in the first place. Whether the tweet could be a hint of a witty joke, the one behind it shows no signs of covering it up either. EA Access, at EA Access, tweeted, "Brother, why do you do this? You will disappoint father." A little bit cryptic there. Some speculate that the developers of Season 3 will drop assets. Alternatively, they will possibly loot boxes that require crypto in order for them to be unlocked. Either way, this move has caught huge attention, and big names like Binance and Huobi have already responded to EA's tweet. I don't think there's too much more we can speculate about for the time being. Again, it's 3 simple words. It may be part of a marketing campaign for that release that we discussed, but let's kind of keep an eye on this, keep it on the back burner for now. Wouldn't it be incredible if EA injected themselves into the blockchain gaming space very suddenly and with a lot of vigor? I think that would be a lightning bolt of raw energy into this space. So check out the tweet. We'll link to it in the description below, and make of that what you will. At altcoinbuzz.io, we tweeted the following. Whoa, enjin what's going on? You never know who the secondary and tertiary parties may be when it comes to developments like this. Again, just speculation for now, but let's keep an eye on things. Also here on altcoinbuzz.io, we're now looking at the Tael ecosystem, a loyalty token for safe consumer products. This, of course, brought to us by the Project Review team. So Tael ecosystem is a place where consumers reap the benefits of blockchain authenticated products. It provides an adoption-ready loyalty point system that over 12,000 mainstream consumers use. And Tael is all about fighting the counterfeiting of critical goods. It uses blockchain to solve this issue without disrupting people's behavior and to drive adoption. The blockchain ecosystem is way too complicated for a non-technical user, and this is where the technology in other projects is facing adoption resistance, unfortunately. Tael seems to avoid this problem, and it has thousands of users, with 90% of them being women in most cases, which is kind of different from the typical male-dominated crypto projects. Tael ecosystem's real adoption is set to overtake the number of its actual crypto holders, and community members can participate in an adoption competition over on Twitter for a chance to win 1,000 Tael. I would encourage you to read more about the loyalty point system here. Tael is often confused as a directly comparative supply chain management system, but the ecosystem is actually a loyalty points model which not only provides blockchain authenticated products to consumers, but also rewards end users for being a part of the ecosystem and authenticating the goods. More information obviously can be found in the article here. There are 4 actors in the Tael ecosystem, and each play an important role. You have consumers, you have brands and merchants, exchanges, and the Tael ecosystem itself. This is the actual company which sells the secured quality consumer products to the consumers through the platform. This is what the platform looks like at a glance, and you can see some of the available products include infant nutrition, cosmetics, supplements, and mother and baby care products as well. You can learn more about this exciting platform and initiative on taelpay.com and read about the business model on blog.taelpay.com. The 2 blockchains are also on that website, as well as ecosystem actor information and the demand and supply. Follow them on Twitter, on Telegram, and this was formerly known as WABI, WABI. You can trade WABI on Binance, of course, and we provide the link right there. Here is the website for more information, taelpay.com. Again, it's a token for safe consumer products. And on Twitter, follow them at TaelPay. Competition round 2, no closing date. Tael adoption is set to overtake crypto holders when first 5 to guess the date correctly with 1,000 Tael giveaway. And you can track the current stats on taelpay.com. And finally, let's take a look at this on cryptobriefing.com. 76% of all crypto derivatives, which is a financial product, are traded on Huobi or OkeX. And when most people think of crypto derivatives, including myself, they immediately think of BitMEX. The Seychelles-based exchange is one of the oldest and most high-profile crypto derivatives platforms around. But according to a new report released today by analytics site Crypto Compare, researchers found rival exchanges had been quick to snap up market share in response to the growing demand for crypto derivatives. In the case of OkeX and Huobi, trading volumes have actually superseded that of BitMEX. I find that quite unbelievable. As you can see here, there really has been a lot of volatility in terms of the daily trading volume over the month of August. This is measured in billions of US dollars. And check out the color coding. You have Huobi here and OkeX, which took up certainly a majority of the early numbers. But as things progressed, things went down, back up again, down, back up, and kind of leveled off. You can see here that they really do take up the lion's share of all these billions of dollars that are traded on a daily basis. Again, this is the total derivatives exchange volume measured in billions of US dollars. At approximately $10 billion a day, OkeX and Huobi combined, again, to represent 76% of daily derivatives volumes, the report found. Previous market leaders BitMEX and BitFlyer represented 13 and 7% respectively of the daily volumes. I find that really astonishing. Regulated alternatives formed a much smaller share of the market, with ESMA-regulated Deribit making up 4% and FCA-regulated crypto facilities at just 1%. Crypto derivatives, it should come as no surprise, are rapidly becoming a lucrative sector. Deribit's COO told Crypto Briefing last month they had repeatedly fended off bids from investors looking for an equity stake in their exchange, and some bids reportedly went as high as $9 figures. So we're talking the hundreds of millions of dollars there. Data provided exclusively to Crypto Briefing also highlighted both Huobi and OkeX have managed to maintain their market dominance, with BitMEX experiencing a 3% drop so far over the course of September. I can't say I really dabble in derivatives myself. This is not my cup of tea, but for those that do out there in the altcoin buzz army, let us know if this figure surprises you. I certainly didn't know that Huobi and OkeX were that overrepresented in this space, but there you go. And the point is made here very astutely that the launch of the physically delivered crypto futures exchange backed next week on the 23rd of September, that's coming right up, is likely going to set the cat among the pigeons, because institutional investors will become the main drivers of the crypto derivative space, and it is likely that traders will begin to converge around a handful of existing providers. Very interesting numbers here. Let us know what you think about that with your opinions, as always, in the comments below. But that about rounds it out for today, everybody. So do be sure you are following us on all the regular social media channels, and keep checking back into our website, altcoinbuzz.io, for all the latest. Hey, it is Friday. Go out there, enjoy your day, have a good tail end to your week. Best of luck if you choose to invest, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.